Welcome to the SOFiSTiK online documentation. In this video, we give an overview of the workflow for the dynamic analysis of bridges under moving loads. As starting point, we would like to sum up the purpose of the workflow from a user perspective to clearly distinguish the focus of this tutorial. Dynamic analysis of bridges under moving loads is required in many cases to check for resonance phenomena of railway bridges, especially for high-speed tracks. This is done via dynamic analysis of train passages on the bridge. The trains are represented by load patterns that contain typical axle loads and axle distances. The occurrence of resonance phenomena depends on the dynamic characteristics of the structure, so the dynamic eigenmodes and frequencies, the distances of the axle loads, so the train type, and the speed of the train passing over the bridge. To cover the relevant cases, it is therefore required to investigate several train types, and to investigate for each train several passages with different speeds within a certain range. The results obtained from the dynamic analysis are usually compared to those of the static load models to check whether dynamic effects, respectively resonance phenomena, can get decisive for the design. This tutorial is intended to guide you through the SOFiSTiK workflow for this analysis. We present the workflow based on a single-span reinforced concrete bridge with a span length of 20 meters. The workflow is structured in the following parts. First, we show how to model the system. Then, we explain how to calculate the dynamic eigenmodes of the structure. Next, we show how to create the load patterns of the individual train types for the analysis. After these preparation steps, we can start the dynamic analysis under moving loads. We will first show the basic procedure for one passage of a load train with a certain speed. In the next step, we explain how to efficiently set up the calculation for the passage of many train types and the complete speed range. As final step, we show the most important options to post-process the results. In the following videos, we will discuss each step of the workflow in detail. Thank you for your attention.